Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, looking at crypto. Crypto has taken a real hit. Alright? Now, see Bitcoin's down to 33,000 a coin. Wow, that is huge. And you can see, I just bought some not that long ago. 32. So it's bouncing a little. So I want to buy some more. Gotta buy the dip. Alright, cool. Alright, looks good. Look at Dogecoin. It was down to 29 cents. Now it's coming back to 33. Unbelievable. Haven't really done anything here yet. I think I might want to buy. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave in the comment below. Buy? Should I buy? I'm gonna buy a little. About 20 bucks. No. 50? What do you think? No. 100? Okay. Go for that. Alright, what else we got? Look at Ethereum. Ethereum got crushed. Alright. I know my cost base is still pretty low for Ethereum. Yeah, what's I buy at? Oh, 1,200. Wow, it's way down there. Probably not going to hit that. Maybe. Alright. Well, what else we got? Ethereum Classic. It's rebounding. Alright, guys. What do you guys think about crypto? You guys buying the dip? You know it's coming back. So, this is the time to buy. At least for me. Not financial advice. But, remember to subscribe to my channel for wealth building techniques. And smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Alright guys, thanks for watching.